Hello traders, welcome to a new video. Here I'm go with buyers because you can see there is a short called short 1, so that's why I'm go with buyers at this point. Okay, here I'm go with sellers because you can see there is a double top pattern or M pattern, so that's why I'm go with sellers at this point. There is a round number I didn't draw there. Okay, so here I'm go with buyers because you can see this is a 70% strong lonely SNR, and preview we have a momentum of sellers. Now buyers are going to copy the momentum, and buyers are closed the SNR with good volume candle, so that's why I'm go with buyers at this point. Here I'm going with buyers because as I told you, a single candle cannot stop a momentum, and we have a momentum of sellers in the left, so that's why I'm going with buyers at this point. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, so here I'm go with sellers because you can see a strong candle means two healthy candles are going to copy the preview momentum of buyers, and the last candle break SNR, so that's why I'm go with sellers at this point. Okay, here I'm go with sellers because this is a strong entry point of sellers, as I told you in the before video of entry point. Okay, and the candles are copied the preview momentum of sellers, so here the another chance to reverse. Okay, again I'm here go with sellers because the candle is started near to the entry point of sellers, so that's why I'm go with sellers. Okay, okay, here I'm again go with sellers because market is in downtrend, and the strong candle give a rejection from the VSSNR. It means buyers are on the VSSNR, and market can continue till the VSSNR, so that's why I'm go with sellers at this point. Okay, here I'm go with sellers because the last candle break a SNR, and I thought sellers will retrace here, so that's why I'm go with sellers, but I'm lose here. Here I'm placed my trade the direction of sellers because a spinning top candle at the SNR area, it means reversal sign, so that's why I'm go with sellers at this point. Okay, so here I'm go with sellers because the last candle closed a sellers candle with the good pressure of sellers, so that's why I'm go with sellers again to flow the power of sellers. Here I'm going with sellers because there is a momentum of sellers, and a single candle cannot stop a momentum, and another point is the candle started with the strong entry point of sellers, so that's why I'm going with sellers here. Okay, here I'm placed lower option because I think market is going to downward direction and it can be breakable, but I'm forgotten that it's a VSSNR. So here I'm go with buyers because there is a short called short YS, and the next entry point of sellers is little far from the entry started point of candle, so that's why I'm go with buyers here.